Hey guys, welcome back to English with Ajayraj. In today's video lesson, I am sharing a new technique with you. So by that you can improve your spoken English. And guys, I'm very sure that this is one of the best technique to take your spoken English game to the next level. So here is a picture as you all can see. So I will try to speak about this picture for near about 5 minutes, and you can also speak in English about this picture or whatever picture. You can download it from Google and speak about it 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, whatever the time frame you want to choose. If you are initially speaking for 1 minute or 2 minutes, it is also good. Everything seems to be difficult first, but after practicing day by day, 2 or 3 days, or a week in, week out, month in, month out, after that you will gain a fluency in English speaking, as well as you will gain the confidence to describe things in a very efficient way so that everyone can understand. So okay, now I will talk about this picture. So as you can see in this picture, it's a scene like in an office. So a presentation is going on, and it is looking like a scene after the presentation. So there is some Q&A session, question and answers session is going on. The lady who is standing seems like to be had given presentation, and one of the most important thing is that this is a formal presentation. Okay, and there are 3 females here, and one is male. It seems like that male is having a doubt about the presentation, and he is asking to the lady that had given presentation, and asking something to his nearest lady as well, whatever the question is. And guys, one more thing also I want to tell you is that, as you can see in this picture, there are 2 laptops that are open on the table. One is in front of a male guy, and one is in front of that lady that is in red t-shirt. So as you can also see, the visuals that are shown on the laptop, the same visuals are going on the big screen behind that curly hair lady. Probably the same thing is going on the guy's laptop. They are having discussion about the presentation or whatever. Suppose it's a business strategy, and there is something written on this image, and this is a roadmap to product launch. A business strategy is going on here. So in this business strategy, as you can see, there are the colors that are of different sizes: blue, purple, light pink, dark pink, orange, purple, red. There are many types of color that are showing different points. Probably how long will they get these results, they're discussing about it. And you can also see that there are a few chairs also present there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this picture we could see 5 chairs. Probably there were many more, but in this picture we can see only 5. Another line I would like to add here is that this presentation is going on in a room that also has windows. Windows are closed. Looks like windows are closed. If you see behind the lady and man who is sitting on chair, might be evening or morning time in winter season. There is a cup of coffee also present on the table, beside the guy. Probably there would be coffee in it. That's all about what I could think of. So guys, speak about this picture or any other picture for near about 1 minute, 2 minutes or 5 to 10 minutes. If you can speak, this will build your confidence to speak English in a very effective and in a very fluent way. Guys, do use this technique. I found this technique to be very useful. It would just take only 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes daily. Just do this. This is one of the best. So guys, that's all for today's video lesson. If you found it to be helpful, make sure to like, and to learn more you can subscribe to this channel. And guys, if you have any question or suggestion that you want to share with me, you can write it in the comment section. My name is Ajay. I thank you so much for watching.